Good morning to all of you. Assalamu alaikum. Uh, My name is Dr. Javed Akhtar. I'm very happy to see all to IFPH forum. I'm really grateful to Dr. Shaji who gave me opportunity to present myself at the international forum. I'm really very happy to see the homeopathy community are coming together and doing efforts for the promotion of homeopathy. It's a very beautiful system for the sake of the humanity, for the humanity purpose. It is our main objective for the being human to save the ill peoples. So I am really, so first of all, grateful to all of the team who presented, who doing the efforts, who are doing the such type of the tremendous job to together all of the community of the world of the homeopathic doctors. Today, I'm presenting first of all about the what is the current situation of the homeopathy in Pakistan, how Pakistan is contributed in homeopathy. I'm going to introduce myself. I am the also part of the member of the National Council for Homeopathy at government level, and I am also the part of the uh, development program of the professional development program of the homeopathy in Pakistan. Uh, I'm presenting here presentation here. Please. My topic is the how the defeating today's Castro catastrophe. This is the main objective and main theme of mine. This is my autobiography. I am the first homeopathic doctor in Pakistan who introduced a Segel protocol, that is a mind method. And secondly, my special job is that I am the explorist. I did a lot of work in exploring of the homeopathy. When I read the homeopathic materia medica and other things, I have seen over there, there are a lot of research over there, a lot of material over there, but still yet it is unaware the about this. And I have seen uh, 300 years, 250 years before this, Dr. Master Honeyman, who did a lot of work, and other scientists also did a lot of work. And but it is still it is unaware in how to utilize the medicine and what is the proper function of medicine and how we can use it different methodology, different methods. And here Dr. Segal, I'm really thanks to Dr. Segal. He did a lot of work. The protocols, how we can use the medicine according to certain protocol. So he introduced the Segel protocol. Segel protocol means this is the mind method, and how we can what kind of things we can collect from the patients, and what is the things which will give the importance to the patient, and what is the actual criteria to reach the right simulum. As you know, whenever we are doing any kind of work, we need certain protocols, we need certain SOPs. So the Dr. Segal introduced the protocols, the SOPs, how you can reach the similum medicine. According to law of the homeopathy, the similars, the means the medicine should be similar to treat the ill person. So I adopted this method and I introduced myself in Pakistan. how we can use it and how can reach over there, what is the proper criteria, and how can teach it and how can learn it and how can deliver it.
Okay. Eso aquí, tiene lo que me phone with
Current status of homeopathy in Pakistan. The present era offers only conventional form of Western medical treatment, commonly known as allopathic medicine, but also many alternative form of treatment. Among them, homeopathy is one of the most widely accepted and safe form of alternative medical treatment practiced worldwide. Homeopathy was introduced by Samuel Hahnemann 250 years ago. It is based on law of similar, described by as it let likes be cured by likes. And so named it homeopathy. Its philosophy was minimal dose that can relieve disease in those who have symptoms similar to those created by strong and potent doses of the drug. The government of Pakistan officially recognized homeopathy in 1965. The name of this act, the Unani Ayurvedic and Homeopathic Practitioners Act 1965. It is expedient means mufid, to promote and popularize the Unani, Ayurvedic, and homeopathic system of medicine, to regulate education and research, and to provide for the registration of practitioner of those system of medicine. Here is the National Council for Homeopathy. After this act, this National Council for Homeopathy, NCH is the government autonomous body. NCH, National Council for Homeopathy, regulate the homeopathic system officially. Registration and issuing practicing license of homeopathy. Homeopathic institutions. How much the homeopathic institution in Pakistan would do the work for this under the supervision of government, under the supervision of the National Council for Homeopathy, under the supervision of this act, under the supervision of this uh, the act of the parliament, 140 colleges of diploma, DHMS, 4-year program are running. Diploma, how to can reach, how can access, and how can study that diploma. It is the basic qualification for this currently is the matriculated SSC with science. I'm going to tell you update current condition. Now we are working over there. The basic qualification of this the homeopathy must be upgraded for the betterment of the system. It should be basic qualification FSC pre-medical. The second one is a BHMS degree, Bachelor in Homeopathic Medical Sciences, is offering different universities the basic criteria for the say admission of this higher secondary school certificate. There is a pre-medical group. Now, the people of the homeopathic doctors, most of the homeopathic doctors are trying to upgrade the system to eradicate the diploma and it substituted to the BHMS degree, that the basic qualification of the pre-medical FSC. The act now, the current scenario is this: the bill is passed from the Senate, and now it is on the floor of the National Assembly. The second is the MBBS. Sorry, the word is MBBS. MD doctors may legally practice in homeopathy if he can satisfy the council that has done 6 months of apprenticeship. They give the certain criteria. They are changing the SOPs of the council. They are taking that exams or test. Are satisfied by the laws of act, and after that, the MBBS or MD can register and can do the legally practice. There are a number of MBBS doctors who are practicing in homeopathy in Pakistan. They are also registered over there. Homeopathy, what is the industries and pharma of the homeopathy? There are many farmers industries and importer in Pakistan. There are more than hundreds. There are importers, and also there are the manufacturers are there in Pakistan. Like the importer is the William Schwabe, Rackbridge, and Linning. They are the importer in Pakistan, and other is the BM, Masood, Kamal, like this. These are the local manufacturer in the Pakistan. They are present in Pakistan. One thing where is going to be very highlighted here, the medicine is too much economical, homeopathic medicine, as comparative to the European countries. If we compare, it's a very economical. I'm going to exemplify it. About the 130 ml bottle of this, about $1 cost of the local medicine. BM and Masood and Kamal Laboratories is $1 30 ml of the solution. How I inspired from the homeopathy. This is the main thing. Why I come to the homeopathy. Basically, one thing I'm going to mention here. Basically, I did my qualification in pathology. I did the bachelor in pathology, and also physiologist in MPhil. My qualification is MPhil physiology. Once a time, the homeopathic medical college offered me to give the lecture and to teach the pathology and our physiology to our students. So I visited there, and they took me as a teacher. Meanwhile, it was the homeopathic college, and I asked about this: what is the homeopathy and what is this, and how I can, what it is the function and this. So I was impressed by these things, which inspire me. How much a beautiful system of treatment there is. Minimum dose. Minimum dose means the quantity of the medicine is too much minimum. It is beyond the Avogadro number. It was astonished to me how it's work as being allopathic and being other system, and even you can compare to the Ayurveda, herbal. There are a lot of doses in grams and milligrams and like that. So when I compared this to the homeopathy, it was the beyond the Avogadro number. Even you can access to the molecular level. So it was by inspiring me how it's work and what it should do. This is a minimum dose. And second one is it was so astonished to me. Homeopathy, the doses and the frequency of doses is also too much minimum. If the true homeopathy, if you give the one dose and you can wait for this, for according to the severity of the patient and according to the intensity of the disease, and you can use over there. As my experience, I am using in even chronic, too much chronic cases for few doses only. So it was inspiring me to the minimum dose, and second was the minimum frequency of dose. And third one is the very inspiring for me. It is very easy to take, very easy to take. And the easiest way of this homeopathic medicine is like that small kids, they are troubling when we were offering, when we are giving the tablet form, they refuse to take it. And homeopathic, they are first, if you dispense in that sweet globules, they can take it. The children all can easily take it. So this is a very astonishing for me. The children are easily can take it. Third one is the easily taken elders, the old ones, the especially the elders ones, the who are the more old peoples. If there are any kind of problems, they can take easily. Just put it. And other one, if the patient is refused to take the medicine, if the child is a person, if anyone with a mental diseases and any kind of other diseases, he does not like to take any kind of. You can place it in the water, just a few drops, and you can give him. You can easily easily can give it. This is the benefit of this homeopathic medicine. And if the child does not like to take any kind of tablet, even sweet too, just put the drops in the water and you can give the spoon of the water. This is a very important feature of this homeopathic medicine. You can give any kind, any source of, even I'm going to hear, especially being Muslims in Ramadan, I have personally experienced myself. I'm not going to give the authentic scientific views, just I'm personally give the views. In especially in Ramadan, when we cannot empty, we cannot take any kind of things by the mouth. Just rub the any soft area of the skin. Just put a few drops of the homeopathic medicine at the surface of the soft area of skin. Just rub it, and after the few minutes and few time, you can take the action of this medicine. This is a very beautiful of this action of the medicine. Then second, third one is the first, next one is a less or no contraindication. This is a very important thing. Why I'm saying this is the less or no contraindicated of this medicine. First, I'm going giving the indication of this, because the homeopathic medicine, beyond the Avogadro number, there is no molecular level is present. There is no crude form of drug. If there is no crude form of drug is there, so it does not go to the any stomach and the other digestive system, and it will action against things. This is a very important. Therefore, it does not give the any severe contraindicated. However, the question is it is functioning or not? This is a question. This is the main question. This is the main objective of this homeopathy. How the homeopathic medicine work in the body. So my answer is this: homeopathic works in the system of the homeopathic in the body. It gives the indication. It gives the signal to the body through the taste buds, to the nervous system. This is my experience, and also it is a present over there. The question is here, how to give the certain indication scientific views. So I'm giving the comparative examples to this indication of the homeopathic medicine. Being physiologist, being pathologist, as we know it, homeopathy and allopathy and other sciences like the hypertension, like the diabetes, even their number of things, still we are, even cancers, still we are unaware the exact mechanism of this this illness and diseases. Still we are unaware. We are doing management in hypertensions, in diabetes, cancers, whatever. We are doing the suppressed, and we are not. We are not reached the rights objective and how it's increased. It is a pathology of this. And secondly, in being physiologist, you might have seen, you are aware of this. If you see the number of signals are coming into the cells, and in the cells there are action has taken place, but and product is formed, but we still doesn't know what kind of action was taken place in the cells. Just signal is coming, we can reach over there, this signal is come to the cell walls, and this signal is entered into the cell wall, and this chemical, this hormone, this indicated a signal into the cell, but still we are unaware how the reaction is taking place in the cell and the product is formed. This is there are number of examples of the physiology, normal physiology of the human being. So in homeopathy, still we know it. Still we have to be researched over there how it's functioning in the body. But currently we aware about this, that is give the signal to the body, because it's beyond the Avogadro number. No quantity of the medicine in the homeopathic medicine no crude form of drugs in the homeopathic medicine. It gives the signal. Therefore, we are choosing the single minimum or minimum frequent of medicine giving to the patient, and it works. I'm there certain time, certain doctors, certain allopathic doctors and other doctors who give me any indication how it's work. Presently, I have told them, please sit with me and come with some patients, and I am going to be treat the patients and give the dose at front of you, and you have to see the result. So sometimes science does not reach to the at certain levels, but still we need to research over there, not to criticize it, not to the go to the certain points, what is the why not functioning over there. Still we need what kind of things we needed. We needed first how it's worked, number one. Secondly, mechanism of the work, still we need to research over there. Thirdly, why it's work. And this is the main criteria to research it. I request to all the world, I request to all the homeopathic doctors, I request to other scientists, they should know it. Because if you see it, the homeopathic works, the work of homeopathic is a so tremendous job. Whatever the disease is, still you can't imagine it. If the disease is too much intensity level, too much higher level, too much the fourth stage, third stage, but it still gives the relief to the patients. I will give the examples up to the next in coming session, coming lecture. So homeopathy works over there, a lot of works. If you compare to the other type of system, there is no system is complete in the world who treat the patients like currently COVID-19. Allopathic science, there are a lot of medicine, there are a lot of, they're doing experiments, but still we are still even vaccines. Currently, I've seen it in the Italy and other countries. They are the contraindication over there. So in homeopathic, still are not prominent, not so dominant in the contraindicated over there. It works tremendously, but there are certain people who are their benefits. I don't know what kind of benefit they want to take. Their we know want to know the logical. I'm going to hear the examples of if they are saying the homeopathy is not a logical homeopathy. They are giving the certain they are giving the example. I'm going to tell you, if you go to the physiology, even we doesn't know the mechanism of the different chemical functions in the cells. Number one. Secondly, we are unaware even the other the pathological diseases and other diseases we are managing over there. It does not mean that you are emphasizing the homeopathy does not how to mechanism over there, how it's work, but we have to go over there. It's the functioning without any contraindicated. The patient is resultant in the cure to the patient. Patient becoming relief. Thousands of examples over there. I have did it, and all the colleagues over there. We need to research how it's work and what is the problem is there in the whole world. Even I'm not I don't know what is the reason behind this. Being a community, being the awareness of this, we should research on those criteria in the whole world. We should go to the why homeopathy works. What is the this is the we should know. We should research over there. What is the criteria? I did a lot of work for this purpose. Thousands of the cases I collected it with the especially with the consent of the patient, after taking the videos, after taking the audios, and also writing format of the cases, and also I did the follow-up for the sake of learning, for the sake of demonstration, for the sake of teaching, for the sake of proving, for the sake of providing the evidence. Homeopathy works whatever the disease over there, like the migraine in European countries, especially migraine is the very important. In developing countries, there are social economical status. There is lot different kind of cultural diseases. You can't imagine it. Just I'm going to little bit example here. Uh, my patient was in the Japan. She was a music teacher. She was suffering from the migraine from the 10 year. Our sister, she's my friend, and she told me that my sister is suffering from the migraine. You can't imagine it. Just I took the 3 minutes. I conversed her, and after that I suggested and advised her to take this one dose only one dose, not more than two, not more than one. Just take one dose. After the 3 hours, she replied me, I'm entirely relieved. And I took the follow-up of the 1 year. The pain, migraine was not reappear of that patient. Only single one dose. So this is a function of the homeopathic medicine. But still we need to research over there. We have a deficiency over there. Especially I request to the educated peoples, the people who are economically sound, they facilitate it for the sake of humanity, not for the sake of me and homeopathy, but the sake of humanity. They are doing a lot of work for this. They need to research over there. Especially, I request to the homeopathic doctors who provoke their children, they comes forward for their work, because this is the one of the profession I can say over there. There is for this special for the work for the humanity, because it is a less economical, very economical. If you compare to, for example, I'm going to example in Pakistan, $1 30 ml, and if you have to give the single drop $1 30 ml, and 30 ml if you distribute it in 30 ml are $2. You can compare $2 when certain importers are $2 or $3. If you compare, if you divide it into the 30 ml, 30 ml means there's one in 1 ml there are there are 20 drops. How many drops in 50 drops? 50 drop, 50 microliter. 50 microliter is one drop, and divided in the 20 drops in 1 cc, 1 ml. So 30 into 20, 600 drops. So you put the one drop in the one drop, 600 drops in $2 or $3. If it is divided into the to the $3 or in divided into 600. So you can see it how much the cost of the homeopathic medicine. That is very, very, very minimal. This is a homeopathic medicine. You guys, especially in the developing countries, even the developed country, there is no matter of the mention of the economics issues, but they need the recovery. They need safe treatment. This is the safest treatment for the whole world. I'm going to give the examples of the corona to next, please. Contribution. So I'm going to hear the example of what I did it for, what I contribute for the homeopathy. First, I'm going to tell you, I'm the first homeopathic doctor in Pakistan. When I did it, when I seen it, the homeopathy, that Dr. Sehgal, who worked a lot of, he was belonged to the India. Now he died. Her son, Dr. Said, Dr. Sujant, and Dr. Son is really very. I've seen it. They're very, very polite, and they're very kind to me. They worked over there for the protocol and SOPs. So I have seen it, and I introduced in Pakistan, and I'm regular teaching over there. and in different forms, being chairman of professional development programs, and also I'm doing the I'm also teaching on the online for the for this SOP and how can we reach to the simulum. This is a proper protocol. This is a proper methods. I'm not to criticize to any other protocols method. Just I'm introducing one of the methods. Other methods are also present over there. They work for the homeopathy, but this is the new era, new method, and new things, and you can reach over there. And what is the importance of this? I will give you the next the time. I will give the example. Another thing I'm going to share here: daily sharing article. I used to share daily article of the rubrics in social media from the 5 to 7 years in nationally and internationally. And this rubric means the heading symptom of the medicine. And I give the interpretation, understanding, and utilization and patient versions. Daily sharing in international media, most of the doctors aware of this my article, and daily at so at time Pakistan time is a 7 o'clock. Next one is I did a lot of work, more than 5,000 cases, acute and chronic cases. I have recorded with follow-up of patients' video after the consent of the patients, audios in writing forward, writing format. I've mentioned in online teaching for many years, many workshops are conducted, many seminars, symposium conducted nationally, internationally, participated and presented article and conference nationally, internationally, online patient cured cases presenting in national, international social media for learning purpose to the homeopathy. For last 10 years working in, I'm also telling you, working in Al Mustafa Trust free of cost for needy and poor patients. I do for the sake of community. I'm attached to the different association for promoting homeopathy, like the HMA and internationally, and other associations of the internationally in Pakistan too. National and international webinars conducting the promotion of homeopathy and sharing knowledge of homeopathy. Working on uplifting system of homeopathy in government sectors. So now I'm giving to the some examples and what I did it. Arsenic album, acute renal failure patients. Chaji, you was telling me you have an half an hour, so can I go further? Dr. Chaji Kudayat. Okay. I have patients here. Dr. Noor, you are there? Doctor, I'm going to, she's a medical student. Uh, she was the renal failure patient, acute renal failure patient. She's a medical student also. She's a doctor, and for the for the sake of inspiration, for the sake of promotion, for the sake of a real image of the homeopathy, I am presenting the patient himself, and she's a doctor too, a medical. She gives her indications what happened to her and what I did to her. Being homeopath, you can see over there. First, Dr. Noor, you are there? Okay, please kindly on the video of audio of the unmute the Dr. Noor audio. Dr. Noor, you are there or Sadia? Sadia, where is the Sadia? Sadia is with you. Please kindly unmute the Dr. Noor. She's my colleague, Dr. Noor, and Sadia is the patient. She's also doctor, medical students, and she's with her. I think kindly unmute, unmute the Dr. Noor, please. Please. please, Dr. Shaji. Hello. Okay. I think. Hello. Are you listening to me?
जी sir. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all. I am Dr. Nurnisa from Karachi, Pakistan. Today I am going to share a unique case of my niece who got a miscarriage in a 2020. After blood transfusion, she suffered septicemia with renal failure along with RTI. Suffering, she was shifted on ventilator and dialysis started also. And dialysis started on daily basis. However, also doctors recommended kidneys transplant at this critical situation. I contacted to my great teacher and mentor, Sir Dr. Javed Akhtar. He personally got the case through Zoom, and within a very few days, patient respond positively and recovery going to start. Firstly, she started self-breathing, and then duration of dialysis extend from daily to twice a week after 3 months. After 3 months, no dialysis and ventilator are removed. Rehabilitation started very quickly. This is what happens because of homeopathic and great homeopathic Sir Dr. Javed Akhtar. Thank you, homeopathic and Sir Dr. Javed and Almighty Allah, who blessed my niece to get away from suffering. She was very, very better. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you, Dr. Noor. This is a case was acute renal failure. She was suffered miscarriage, and then she went to the acute renal failure. Her creatinine, urea was too much high, and daily dialysis was over there. And the condition of the patient was too critical, too worse. She was too much anguish and too much the suffering from the vomiting and all these things. And also one thing here is she was also newly 1 year, I think, married. So the heart dialysis was going on daily, and she consulted to me, sir, what I can do it. So I took the case. I have given the medicine after the proper case taking, arsenic album. And what is the, you can't imagine it. I have given the very few doses. Arsenic album, the only 6 centimal scale. At first day, I have given the only one dose. One dose, and after the one dose, she feeling functionally relief. Her anguish, especially in restlessness, was much better before this. And second day, I did not give the any dose. After second day, her vomiting was becoming better, but the dialysis was ongoing. I did not stop the dialysis because it was the mechanical job, and her physician, the allopathic physician, the hospital was emphasizing you must do the dialysis. I did not stop it, and patient feel relief. A patient asked me, what doctor I should do? Should I stop the dialysis? So I did not recommend her. I told her to consult your physician. What he said to you. After the 2, 3, 4, I think 4 or 5 dialysis, patient himself to the doctor. Doctor, I am feeling uncomfortable by the dialysis because dialysis is going to be more worse to me, and my urea creatinine is becoming normal if you dialysis, and I am feeling more worse. The doctor said to her, okay, wait for 2 days. After 2 days, when she went again and she did the test and she feeling better, again doctor said to wait for. So this is the safest way. I'm going to giving the way. It is the safest way. Don't take to the risk of the patient to go to, because in homeopathic there is you might have seen there is not a well established hospital, especially in our area, who examine, who do the all the investigation and all these things. So if you need to the patient's issues, you don't take in the risk of the patient. So where the allopathic hospital, they are well established, they're well equipped, they can see over there. After after the patient, when they visited there, they seen it. The patient is very better, is excellent in stage, and they return back. Now it is almost after the 2 month, after sorry, in early days, after the 15 days, once a dialysis was need to the patients, and our creatinine was reduced, and after that, a 3 month is coming, 3 month, and 3 month, after 3 month is over there, no dialysis is needed. Creatinine level is too much reduced, but is not, patient is still in the patients of the creatinine is over high, but patient is in a safe condition, no tension, nothing anguish stage, no restless, no vomiting. Creatinine is the symptom and sign, symptoms are very normal, but creatinine is currently is too high, 7 or 8 I think over there, but it was a 15, 20 to become reduced. But patient is feeling better, still medicines are going, patient feeling better, patient does not agree to go to the dialysis, just wait. Patient is going to, I have given the, I think in the whole process in the 3 or 4 months, I've given the 3 or 4 doses total only, arsenic album 6 centimal scale only in whole process. This is the, you can compare it with the how much it works over there, how much they relieve the patients physically as well as the functionally as well as the pathologically. The creatinine is going to be decreased, and the other things, the patient is too much feeling better, and all the families are very happy to see it. This is the case of the arsenic album. And thank you, Dr. Noor. Thank you to all of you, and especially Dr. Noor who presented herself. Another case, I'm going to present here. Just I'm going to tell about this. The case of the lungs fibrosis. Lungs fibrosis. As you are familiar, when the organs of the body are not works, especially lungs, liver, kidney. The tissues become changed into fibrous tissue. Here in this case, the actual tissue of the lungs replaced by the fibrous tissue. What will happen if the function of lungs, another tissue is replaced, the breathing problem over there, patient needs oxygen, it's 80 to 80% or 90% not work over there. This is the pathology of the patients, deep pathology of the patient. Patient was taking the oxygen continuously. Only 3 minutes, yeah, in early days, patient could not go to the washroom without oxygen. Even patient did the patient on the bed is doing their activities. This is what it was. Patient was in very severe condition of this pathological problems. I have seen these patients, and I took the history of the patients. When I asked what is happening in your life, what is your problem, as he told me, you can see that I'm this kind of pathology, and this is a problem, and this one is. So I asked her, how many times you are suffered? She told me it is a 4 or 5 years before this. I'm suffering. What happened in your life? She told me that I was little bit due to certain accident. My pregnancy was lost, and the doctor removed my uterus. And after that, surely I was married, and I cannot deliver the child. I cannot conceive myself, being my uterus is not there. Thus, I asked and said to my husband, please do marry someone other woman, as I am suffering from this problem. But why you suffered by this problem? You need children, and myself sacrifice for this, and you have to go to the marry. This is a, you can say she's a benevolent, she's sacrificing. But they are the cousins, they are very loving to each other. It was a love marriage. And she asked to her, my dear husband, as you know, I am loving too much, and you love to me too much. And you are sacrificing, you are too much sacrificing to me. And you told me that I need you. I do not need my children. But here, the patient said to her, no, I know your families and your ancestors all know it. They want children. And you also know, and you also need children. Thus, I wish to marry two other women for the sake of children. And at this time, she told her, please do divorce me. Please divorce me, because when you marry to this other woman, and you will become suffer. And I don't tolerate it. You suffer. So she took divorce to him for the sake of sacrification, for the sake of selflessness. It is the extreme level of selfless. This is the extreme level of selfless. And she in our culture, especially India and Pakistan, normally women's in I don't know what is because certain symptoms are related to the cultures. In our cultures, If the woman first, she did not allow to marry first, whatever there is problems, you can take the kidney of the patient, you take anything of the patient, you can all the assets of the patient, but she did not allow to marry their husband first. If she allow under certain circumstances, but she did not allow to divorce me and to take a daughter to her. It is our cultural system. It is the extreme level of the selflessness. She did extreme level of selflessness. And other symptoms, when I took the other symptoms, and if you study the materia medica, what is the medicine that is the highest sacrification, highest selflessness, is the Rus Tox. Highest level of the Rus Tox is the selflessness of the in Rus Tox. So I have given to her Rus Tox 6 centimal scale. I have given 1 dose first day and second day and third day, 3 doses. After the 1 week, the patient replied me, "Doctor, before this, I could not left for 1 minute my oxygen. Now my situation is this, I have 3 to 5 hours. I can left my oxygen. Only 3 doses. After this, and in the next week, I did not give the any medicine. Just given the placebo. After the second week, she told me, "Doctor, today I sit outside of my room with my family without oxygen for whole day." This is a miracle. This is a progress. This is a homeopathy, and gradually she's improving. And I know it, but it does not improve too much. But the situation is this: the patients, the life is more comfortable, much feel better. She can, as a whole, she can exist without oxygen for 4 to 5 hours, 6 hours normally. But she is used to for 5 years. And I asked her, if you don't need it oxygen, her saturation level not drops, why I should? She told, no, doctor, you know oxygen is there, I should use it. Habitually she is using, but the saturation level is normal or slightly dropped if too much exertion. This case is, I think, 1 year is going on, but she is using oxygen, but the quantity of the oxygen is too much little or too much there interval over there. Her situation is normal. She's a normal doing anything. I hope, inshallah, I will see it with the passage of time. She is becoming more better. This is my cases which I am going to telling here. Now, another presentation I am going to present here. Anyone is there who want to come here? Dr. Nam is there? Dr. Nam? Just message me if Dr. Nam, sir. Anyone? Okay. Here is a one case. Okay, Dr. Naveed. Dr. Naveed, just putting their views. Kindly unmute Dr. Naveed, please. Dr. Naveed. He's my good friend. He's a doctor, Dr. Naveed. He's a teacher. He is a MSc in biochemistry, homeopathic doctor too. He's a too much devoted, sacrifice, and lot of work over there. You can't imagine it. The affiliation, the love to the homeopathy, tremendous love. I have no word to say being Dr. Naveed, my student also, he's doing a lot of work. I would like to be offered to Dr. Naveed. Just give us some point, please.
Dr. Javed, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Ismail Seth from India, Calicut. I was in Dubai then in 89 to 92, and I thought some of the Pakistani people came to me as a friends and as a patients and like that. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not remembering all the names of this who are making friendship with me. And it was long back I came. That is 89, 90, 91, 92 like that. After 95 I was there. After conducting the international conference, I left Dubai. Anyway, now I am staying quite in my country, India, Calicut, Kerala, and God's own country. Looking services. I was the principal of the government college. And your case was very wonderful one. The stocks was given for this lung damage disease. Wonderfully I am seeing, and wonderfully I am experienced. Sir, in what Mathematica is given you the induction of stocks to came into this one. I have the stocks also is coming, but in other ways that I will tell you later. For the sacrifice, highest mode of sacrifice, that word, where from you got only for the reference I am asking. Because I am a student. I'm seeking the knowledge and in Mathematica everything. And that's why I'm asking. From where you got the highest sacrifice of the stocks? You got any, remember any incidents or any reading your habits or reading knowledge, any Mathematica? Because we have to go through all the Mathematics, then only we got the good result.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, here I'm replying you of your question. Thank you, sir. You asking me. Basically, as you know, there is a proper protocol of this homeopathy. Homeopathy is one of the law. You have to go to the totality of symptoms. When you visit to the totality of symptoms, you can choose the right simulum. Here is the patient selflessness. One is the highest symptom of this. Second symptom is the anxiety sitting bent. I give the rubric into the chart. Anxiety sitting bent. And third one is the helpless feeling. Helpless feeling. Another symptom is the very important symptom which I have seen over there after the totality of symptoms. This is the metaphor symptoms. I have given the convert into the metaphor. The rubric of this symptom is very important. Irritability, teeth with complaint of. Irritability, teeth with complaints of. What is the meaning of metaphor of this rubric? Just I'm going to hear irritability. Please wait.
Mental restless and the physical irritability.
Restax and sepia.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's why that symptom come for you.
Okay. Just I'm going to tell you.
Physical irritability and mental restless. That's the main character of the restless.
For those
torturing you by physically, that also comes under the rest of.
Sir, this is the
Somebody is
symptom.
torturing you. Like
Here I
Safdagria. Like Safdagria, because the IS officer are always rotating his employee. You are not correct, you are not correct, you are not correct. Gradually, he become a complaints. Because he is not provoking, he is not opposing the IS authorities' opinion. That's why there is mental torturing. There
Yes, sir.
it comes Safdagria as well as Rastok comes.
Yes, sir.
I think your Rastok work due to the physical irritability and mental restless. Because that the patient is like that, no? She's under the ventilation, he's under the oxygen. We are also having so many cases here. But we are giving the different medicines. Sometimes arsenic album will come, sometimes iodide will come, cyanometallic will come, sometimes melandrin will come. So these are the things that we are taking into
Sure, sir.
consideration.
Good, sir, I agree with you. I have taken the lot of, I have taken the, according to triple P, present, persistent, predominant complaints, the following rubrics are there. Selfless is one of the rubrics that is the more prominent.
Yeah.
And other rubrics, just I'm going to share here. For example, anxiety, general palpitations, anxiety, breathing, general preventing. All these rubrics, thought, persistent, unpleasant subject hunted by. Thought, sad things, aggravation, thoughts tormenting. All these rubrics, it is when I took the case as a totality of symptoms, the rest talks comes after this. But I'm going to telling here, definitely when there is two ways. One, you studies in according to this Segel protocol, only mind symptom and state of mind I've taken over there. I took the case as a whole. The first important symptoms, which the predominant was the selflessness. And second, third one is the more. After that, then I took the chart, I placed a chart, I compared to the rest talks, all the similar factors, similarity of between the rest talks and the patients, it was entirely similar. Then I have decided it to prescribe the rest talks. So these symptoms, for example, I'm going to tell, sir, thank you, sir, you mentioned over there. Here is another symptom which I'm going to telling here. Irritability, teeth with complaints of. There is some direct meaning, but here is the metaphor meaning is over there. I was sitting there. She told me, I'm watching TV. In news, I have seen in UK, in other countries, the people are killing to someone. The someone is killing to someone. She was very irritated. Why the people are killing to anyone? Why they are doing cruelty? Why they do brutality in any country, anywhere? There's no relation to religion. There's no anything. How? What the forces, what the agencies are doing, why they do not take care of this? They are focusing why these police force, why these other forces are not doing work to save the people. She was very irritated over there. Here is the metaphor meaning of this rubric: irritability, teeth with complaint of. As a metaphor, what is the teeth? Teeth is your protective. It masticates your mouth. It allows you what things you can take and what you don't it. It masticates it. It works as a protection. Your mouth gives the strength to the mouth. If you can, when you're talking without teeth, you cannot perform. You cannot do anything. You cannot talk properly. Teeth is one of the one of the organ of the body part who give to their number of things. One is the beauty, number two protection, number three safety, number four you're talking how to talk properly, and what things you want to. If you masticate some hard place, immediately teeth will respond you. You are something is not going to be right way. Immediately you have to do the action. What is the forces? What is the forces? They are the teeth. They are the teeth. They are complaining with the teeth. Why they are not doing work there properly? Why they are not doing properly? They are irritated by the teeth. They are complained against the teeth. They are not doing properly work. This is the only two medicine, Rustox and Cipia. And Cipia, you might have seen. What is the function of Cipia? Cipia indifferent to the IPR. IPR, because she's aware of all these things. She knows what is the how much money in the pocket of my husband and where he comes. She is aware of this. When the our IPR responded him wrongly, and she knows it, then she become indifferent to their husband, to their family too. So she also irritated the people who will protect you,
Yes.
people who save you, people who do. She become irritated, and she reached Chudel ban jati. She become. This is also Cipia and Rustox too. Rustox. Why Rustox is doing that? She's a extreme. She's a selflessness. Selflessness is the characteristic of the Rustox. So this is the main thing of the Rustox, and she's doing like that. Thank you, sir. I think I my try level.
Don't think that I am arguing you. I'm supporting you the discussion. That's why. But in the other way.
It's my pleasure, sir. I'm glad to say you can, sir, you can ask me and you can share me. You can you upgraded me.
Sure.
I'm thankful to you.
Sure.
So
I'm always welcome. Suppose
Yeah,
a combined discussion is good for us.
sure,
We
sir.
will share our ideas. Here
Thank you,
and
sir. Dr. Naveed, sir. Dr. Naveed, please allow Dr. Naveed to come. Dr. Naveed.
then I will join with you in the car. I'm going to Wayanad for other purpose. In car also I am going in the air facilities. So I
Another
am
case,
taking this. Yeah, I will continue with you. Okay.
sir.
I think half an hour more for you. Is it?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, 1 hour is over.
One is over, sir.
2 hours is allotted.
Sir,
2 hours
no, sir.
allotted for you.
2 hours, sir. 2 hours. How much time, sir, now? 8:30, 9:30. 8:30.
Maybe more than half an hour is there. Eh?
Half an hour there.
Yeah.
Sir,
I will join
please.
with you in the car, inshallah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Kindly, sir, Dr. Naveed, unmute Dr. Naveed, please. Dr. Naveed Iqbal, unmute, please.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank Sir Dr. Javed Akhtar and IFPH International Forum and promoting for homeopathy for providing me a chance to express my views. Today, I want to share some of my views with you. I have MSc in biochemistry. I am working as a subject specialist. Which thing inspired me to join homeopathy as a profession? I would like to share some of views with you. how I was inspired. Unfortunately, my child, who was of 4 years, became the victim of celiac disease, and most of the high professional allopathic doctors were of the opinion that the child could not use wheat or wheat products until the age of 19 years. Then I resorted to homeopathic doctors, many of the homeopathic doctors. But I can't be satisfied. I met with Sir Javed, Dr. Javed Akhtar. He treated my child, and it played the wonder to me that what is homeopathy? Dr. Javed Akhtar is an inspirational figure for me in this field. And I think I am lucky that I am working under his kind supervision. There are many certain cases with good result from the homeopathic treatment. I am always with him and I see the miracles of homeopathy. He is proud of Pakistan. He drives us in the right direction. He drives us to the real practice of homeopathy. I went with him with many cases of renal kidney failure, diabetes, aplastic anemia, thalassemia, blood cancer. And I was astonished to see that homeopathy can work at this level. I can't believe. But it was all there in front of me. That's all was in front of me. This thing inspired me to join the homeopathy as a professional. And I'm very lucky that I have adopted the right direction, right sense of the homeopathy. So one of the message I want to give all of to you, there are many homeopathic doctors, very known doctors, well-known here doctors are sitting from India and all of the world. That not only to adopt it as a profession, as a formality, but to put it into real practice in letter spirit. Love homeopathy, follow homeopathy, and practice it in the real sense. Then it will promote you. It will guide you to the right direction to get the real picture of the medicine. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ravi. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anyone can question, please? Dr. Shaji, please. Dr. Moli Shaji, please. Okay. Here I'm going to present another case. It's a tremendous case. The case of the MDR. MDR. This is a tuberculosis case, multiple drug resistance case. As you familiar about this, when the multiple drug resistance in the tuberculosis, the patient's suffering a lot, but there's no treatment for this. Patient is doing continually treatment. Multi-drug resistance of tuberculosis or anti-tuberculosis drug resistance in the major public health problem that threatens med and TB care and control worldwide. Drug resistance arises due to improper use of antibiotics, drug susceptible to the patients, tuberculosis patients, improper regime, failure to ensure that patients complete the whole course of treatment. And one is the factor is the poverty, lack of awareness, and patient relapse due to above reason, poor diet, poverty, and like that. Patient is prone to other infections. Globally, there are in 2016, estimated 4.1% of new cases, 19% of previously treated cases with MDR TB. Into WHO program data in 2018 of Pakistan, population, they collected the data to 12 million, fell ill with tuberculosis, 5,62,000. TB death, 44,000. Drug TB resistance, 28,000. Here I am presenting the case of MDR. The patient was 60-year-old female, was suffering from tuberculosis. She was diagnosed case of multi-drug resistance of tuberculosis. She took 5 courses of ATT, anti-tuberculosis treatment, but was not able to recover despite of having treated from various hospitals of that area. Here is the one is the area Murray for specific. This is the area for this specific for this tuberculosis patients. For the environment is suitable for this, and she took the treatment also there, and she was admitted over there. Earlier, she was diagnosed with pulmonary tuberculosis at age of 18 years, means 42 years ago, suffering from her marriage. What was the symptom of clinical symptoms of the patients? A persistent cough, usually productive, constant fatigue, weight loss, loss of appetite, fever, 100 Fahrenheit, coughing up with blood, night sweat, chest pain. These are the general symptoms of the tuberculosis. Her laboratory report was erythrocyte sedimentation rate was 95. As you know, ESR is increased in the chronic cases. Sputum test was negative. X-ray test report, fine lamellated shadowing with thin reticulation seen in the apical region. A solitary ovoid cystic leniency is noted along right cardiac border with impression of horizontal fluid level. Both costophrenic angles are oblated. Conclusion: pulmonary tuberculosis. Chest findings were, this is the X-ray report of the chest of daytime. MDR TB treated successfully single individualized homeopathic remedy by the CPR. Here, I did not mention those symptoms which are the homeopathically according to the rubrics, but I have mentioned just here general symptoms just for the sake of the information. I have taken is the case according to the mind method, protocol according to the mind method. The Segal protocol used for this case taking, CAR. What is the meaning of CAR? CAR means concern, adaptation, reaction. Meaning what was the patient concern and what was the patient adaptation, not adaptation, here is adaptation. And what is the reaction of the patient during this suffering. And after this, these things are on the base of triple P. Triple P means what is the symptom is persistent, what symptom is predominant, what symptom is present. These are criteria, these are the things which we have taken over there. This case demonstrates the mindset of the individual, focus about their concern, reaction, adaptation on the basis of CAR field. The patient mindset states then convert into rubric on the basis of present, persistent, and predominant to reach the simulum homeopathic remedy. Observation of patients entered in my clinic by holding her son. Patient, I am too weak. Took treatment from many hospitals, but still no recovery. Due to the weakness, I feel dizzy and desire to be on bed all the time. I am very sensitive to allopathic medicine. मुझे रास नहीं आती, इनकी वजह से एलर्जी होती है. यानी वो medicine she was taken over there, she definitely MDR. Doctor, now this is the patient version. Patient conversation to the doctor. The doctor asked to her, I am asking about him, what is the problem with disease? Patient, I am very careful about my domestic issues and worry a lot. I cannot do chore because of sickness feeling. Chore is a homework, the routine work of the home. Due to illness, I can't do it. This is a patient response. When I asked her, this is the reaction of the patient. When you are suffering or you're suffering from this illness, so what you feel? She told me I am domestic issues. I am worried about a domestic issue because I could not do any work of my domestic work due to this sickness. Doctor, any problem with disease? Patient, I am very careful about domestic issues and worry a lot. I could not do because of sick illness. And next, why you suffered? Patient, after marriage at the age of 18 years, I knew my responsibility, decision, and care. I am very kind to others. I can feel now the situation and what is going to happen, good or bad. I observe others and used to help people. If I give anything to anybody from right hand, my left hand will not know it. It is a careful. She went do the work at home. She did not focus it. She did not realize to anyone. She's doing to the help to other people. She care to other people. If she's care to anyone, but the meaning of this word, the hand means if when you are giving to someone, you are helping to someone, they are not showing it that I am helping him. She want to say here. I know the weakness of others, but never express them to others. I know the weaknesses of others, but never express them to others. For these reasons, my IPR, my husband, scorned and criticized me to show his disapproval. Therefore, I am very disappointed due to the domination of IPR. He has stopped paying attention to what might be and is not even bothered now. Observation. Patients entered in my clinic by holding her son. Here is a rubric is taken I have here. Holding or being held desire to. Clinging behavior held want to be. I have taken the symptom. Rubric. Second, patient, I am too weak. Took treatment from many hospitals, but no recovery. Due to weakness, I feel dizzy and lying desire to bed on. I am very sensitive to allopathic drugs. मुझे रास नहीं आती, इनकी वजह से एलर्जी होती है. Anxiety giving, driving from place to place. This is a metaphor meaning of this rubric. She took the treatment from different hospital. Her tensions are worried, drive him to go here and there for different doctors. The rubric is metaphorically anxiety driving from place to place. Another thing, she was very disappointed the treatment is not responding despite recovery of. Another thing, she told I have and lying desire to bed on. The rubric is bed man in bed desire to. See, another thing, delusion faint he would. When he was taking the medicine, she feel dizzy. She become faint after this. Delusion faint, he would. Another thing, she told me that I am too much weak. I'm too much weak. The rubric is delusion poor he is a metaphoric. Delusion poor means the strength, the energy, the wealth of the energy is too much low. The rubric is delusion poor he is. Another say the medicine, I am very much sensitive to the allopathic medicine. The rubric is sensitive drugs from. Here clinical rubric I have taken here, hypersensitive, increased susceptibility, drug to allopathic. Then I asked, any other problem with this disease patient? I am very careful of household issues and a lot of worry. I could not do chore because feeling of sickness. So I took the rubric here, business incapacity for. Business incapacity for. She can't do the work due to this some illness. She can't do it. Business. This is the business of this. What is the business? Business means the person who whatever they're doing, the person job, the domestic woman, the job is domestic work. It is her business. If the student is reading, studying, study is the job. If the doctor is doing the working is the doctor business. Her business is the chore of the domestic. Business incapacity for. Number second, I took the rubric careful of domestic affairs about. She was very careful. Another rubric, anxiety household matters about. She was also tension was there. Another rubric I have taken is delusion sick being work and for this reason well not. Because she is a sick. What is the meaning of sick and illness? Illness is a disease. Sickness is the feeling of disease. But the difference between illness and sickness is the feeling of disease. I'm going to exemplify here. If there you might have seen there certain person who are suffering a lot of possible cancer and lot of disease, you can see over there, but they are doing work, they do anything, but they did not feel any kind of sickness. Some people who are not feeling even disease. For example, if someone will come to your house, to your home, he knocks the door and say, please call to the papa. So you want to go to the duty and you are telling write the application, I cannot come to duty due to I am feeling not well. It is a feeling of sickness. It does not mean illness. Illness is there, illness something else, and sickness is something. So she feels sickness due to delusion sick being and work for this reason for well not. So why you suffered? I ask it. This is the adaptation. Why you suffered? This is a question you can raise to ask the patient. After marriage, at the age of 18 years, I know my responsibility, decision, and care. I am very kind to others. I can feel now the situation and what is going to happen, positive or negative. I have to read others. I used to help people. I give anything with right hand and left and not aware. I know the weakness of others, but never express. So the rubrics are taken over there. Ailment from abused after being married. In the mind method, ailment from abused after being married. And she is an independent woman. Benevolence. Intuitive. Intuitive means the person aware of all these things. It is the quality of CPR. CPR knows what you are saying, what you have. Intuitive weaknesses of others. Another rubric is intuitive weaknesses of others. This is the special characteristic of the CPR. Another rubric is delusion, hallucination, vision, sight, imagine himself alive on one side and buried on the other side, at the right side. She can feel very muscles and fibers on her. This is a metaphor meaning of this. You can read over. Reading desire. ये लोगों को समझना. She want to understand the people. This is the rubrics. Some rubrics are directly applied, but certain rubrics are the metaphorically taken. And as you know, the whole life of the human being is a metaphor. For example, I'm going to hear examples. If you say someone, my son is the moon, he looks like a moon. It doesn't mean he's a moon, but he looks like a moon. It means very beautiful. Here, if you say my son is you are too bold. You are looking like you are tiger. It doesn't mean he's a tiger. It means he has the qualities. He's a characteristic of tiger. In homeopathy, in my point of view, even Dr. Sehgal used metaphor. But the whole life is the metaphor. Normally, we are using the words metaphor. Homeopathy is a natural system of treatment. Natural. You can interpret the words in the metaphor. However, there are certain people can change the metaphor, but according to the culture, according to the situation, you can use it. That's a real mindset of the person. If someone if in our culture, if we can say, "Tum sher lagte ho," in Urdu. In English, you can say you look like a tiger. You're lying. It means there is a boldness. In another country, in other culture, you can say someone is boldness. You can example to someone else. But the metaphor is the real set of the mind is he want to say boldness. This is the meaning. It does not compulsory. You have to see in our culture the metaphor is different meaning, but the sense is the same. In other patients above reason, my IPR hubby scorned me, criticized me, showing disapproval. So I am very disappointed and domination of IPR. They are not giving me any attention to care. This was the patient response. So I took the rubric here. Ailment from scorn of being, ailment from reproaches, ailment from domination, long time for her, ailment from domination, neglected being, ambition loss of. What was the ambition of this patient? She want to say benevolent, she was to want to care, she want to do, these are the ambition. But her husband, her family was scorned, neglect, scorned, and this was the ambition, her ambition was lost. This was the, I took the chart of this analysis. And you can see this chart. I have taken the radar Opus Epix. This is the latest version of this radar Opus Epix. I took all the rubrics and placed here, and the remedy comes out. The similum remedy is sepia. So you can see in this chart. And sepia is independent. She is intuitive and benevolence. Intuitive and benevolence. Her IPR does not understand. He scorned and pressured her. She is very careful of domestic affairs but loses ambition after marriage. This is the actual feel of the patient and sepia remedy. ESR after the treatment of this, ESR 14, X-ray finding opacity healed. You can see this reports. This is the X-ray finding of these patients, and after the treatment, I took this X-ray. The findings of healed. The patient was very under treatment for 5 to 6 months. First week sepia BD for BD. First week I given her medicine sepia 6 centimal scale. BD mean 2 times morning and evening. And second week sepia OD. Third week placebo. 4 week I have started LM OD. LM0. CPR6C 30, 201 mm LM potency according to the severity and intensity of the symptom was given. After 6 months, X-ray finding, ESR, and patient symptom and disease was cured. So here I used the reference of this, my Segal protocol, organelle of medicine, Murphy repertory, synthesis repertory, and complete repertory. Or this is the patient's, and she's a patient. After this, I took this my clinic, and patient did not allow me to their video and audio. So I present the picture sheet after the consent of the patients. So this was my patient I took in my treatment. Thank you for you hear my case. And any question, please, you can ask me about this, please. You're welcome to, please. Dr. Naam is there? Dr. Shaji, please.
Yeah, good presentation. I was a little out in between, so I am not completely connected to ask you a question. So please bear with me, because yesterday night and today morning, to overall monitoring is a tedious task, and so forgive me for taking little break in between.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Dr. Boli Shaji, please.
Dr. Molly Shaji is from New Zealand. She is listening throughout.
Okay. New Zealand. Okay.
She is our New Zealand representative.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Boli Shaji. Any respectable doctor, honorable doctor, please can ask a question and give any comments, please. Dr. Khizri.
You have 20 more minutes remaining, I think. So anybody else from Pakistan to talk any other subjects or anything? Any patients to make any comments or anything?
Any comments, please, Dr. Khizri? Please come here and give the comments and whatever you like it.
If anybody else from Pakistan wish to speak something, please come forward and make your presentation. We have 20 more minutes remaining.
You can, Dr. Abdul Samad Adil, you can speak in Urdu. I can translate over there. Don't worry about it. Whatever you like it, you can give the comments.
Yes, that is nice. Please take opportunity.
हाँ, अगर कोई उर्दू में बोलना चाहता है तो अपने कमेंट्स दें और अपनी आपने जो भी बात करना चाहते हैं आप करें. जरूरी नहीं कि आपको डॉक्टर शाहिद कम.
Please unmute from your side.
Hello.
Normal sound.
Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Adil from Ringarkha, Pakistan. I am very much thankful to Dr. Javed Akhtar, who give us a right track on the basis of true organon. I am practicing homeopathy from last 30 years, but from last 2 years, I am on the right track under the protocol of Segal system. And always, Alhamdulillah, I have reached to the civilian in a very few minutes under this protocol. A lot of cases were cured by Sir Javed Akhtar, who
Thank you, Dr. Abdul Adil. Thank you. Please, you can speak. Carry on.
Yes, please. There was a call in between. Anyhow, I am very pleased to tell you all that homeopathy is a great system of treatment. My inspiration started in 1990 when my father suffered in RTI with consistent vomiting with blood sputum. He was hospitalized for 2 weeks with again angina pectoris attack with the heavy expenses of medicine, about 50 to 30,000 at that time in 1991. When I came, I was in service in Glaxo Pharmaceutical Company. When I came to my base town, there was a homeopath, Dr. Ishfaq Saab, who asked me why you are absent from your base town. I told her that my father suffered severe RTI and also with cardiac disease, valvular. He simply said to me that give her some doses of phosphorus and Epicac, your father would be cured. I was astonished. There was so many doctors over there in allopathic sides. My real uncle was specialized professor, but they are helpless in case of my father treatment. And you are saying that give her phosphorus or Epicac. When I came back to my home, my father was again coughing and with little streaks of blood. As per his advice, I gave her Epicac 201 dose. After 15 minutes, my father put aside the bundle of allopathic medicine and he feel much better, no anxiety in the chest. And after 3 or 4 hours, he went to mosque to say his prayers. And that was inspiration that homeopathy can do a lot of miracle in such critical conditions. Then I started professionally study a lot of literature collection. And now I am thankful to Dr. Javed Akhtar, who guided us properly, and I purchased Opus, Radar Opus and Romeo Expert Ultimate Systems. Now I am happy I have all the tools and treating and serving the ill humanity and to providing them a good health. Thank you very much giving me a chance to share my.
Thank you, Dr. Thank you, you presented yourself and a case of yourself too and father. I'm really grateful today for the promotion and promotion of homeopathy and for the best uses of the treatment and you adopted and you was cared and your father too. I'm really very. This is the works of homeopathy. And Dr. Tanzila, please, you can come. Please give any comments and whatever you like. Dr. Tanzila Khalik. Please unmute the Dr. Tanzila Khalik, please.
Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and thank you so much, sir, inviting me for the sharing for my opinion. Actually, I like the case taking with the sir, and I like the homeopathy because the homeopathy is a very natural treatment, and I joined before 5 years academically to Sir Javed. And Sir Javed teaching us with sincerely homeopathy, homeopathic system by guided by the to the point Master Hahnemann's the points philosophically, and Sir Javed have the ability, art ability in homeopathy, in case taking, and a lot of cases deals with the pathological changes and highly pathological changes treated by homeopathy with single remedy. And I wonder to see that sir cured with the single remedy highly pathological uh, changes state, and it see the very wonderful cases. And uh, I I appreciate to my sir, and being international mentor, he is working daily rubrics and especially metaphoric system, metaphoric rubrics explanation. He is a Sir Javed master of the explanations, metaphoric rubrics, and I followed the a lot of metaphoric rubrics. In our patients, and I treated my patients, and I followed the Sir Javed metaphoric rubrics. So I got the 100% result, and because his understanding, his nice explanation about the beautifully and with nicely explanation metaphoric system. So I says that he is a very master of the metaphor. After, but sometimes we have the fixed minded, and sometimes we are not believe for some of the cannot understand the metaphors. But Sir Javed yeah, is a one of the person. He is the excellent explanation about metaphors. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So very
Thank you, Dr.
appreciate.
Tajila. This is the admiration of homeopathy, not of me. Basically, homeopathic है आप कह सकते हैं homeopathy में इतनी जान है कि ये just I little work or homeopathy is doing lot of work. Actually, it is the directly proportional to the systems. It is a system of homeopathy who do a lot of work. So thank you, Dr. Tajila. You giving the beautiful comments, and I appreciate your work, and you're doing a lot of efforts. And she's my excellent student. She's a devoted and hard worker. Even she's a kid, and she's a lot of chore out of home. Even then, she's a you can imagine it. She at 18 hours, 18 to 19 hours, giving to the homeopathy day and night, and working with the wherever the needs of homeopathy. And if you call her, she will reply you what the homeopathy said, why homeopathy. It is a tremendous way of working and love to the homeopathy. So now I'm going to invite you, Dr. Zahid Hussain. Zahid Hussain, please kindly unmute the Dr. Zahid Hussain audio, please. Dr. Zahid Hussain.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Zahid Hussain from Punjab, Pakistan. I am also a student of homeopathy. It's my heartly views about IFPH. IFPH is a broad spectrum forum to connect and to promote for the homeopathy in the world. IFPH facilitate us in one umbrella so many learning programs. We, all the lovers of homeopathy, appreciate the organizers and feel happy to join with IFPH. I also want to thank our great mentor and leader, Dr. Javed Akhtar from Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Is a great man to promote and spread homeopathy in Pakistan. And now he promoted homeopathy internationally. I also inspired from homeopathy, the delicate treated by my child and cure him from a homeopath. So I joined homeopathy bravely. A bundle of thanks, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Zaid. Thank you, Dr. Zaid. I'm thankful to all of you, especially Dr. A.K. Gupta is there. I have seen, sir, they are the level of our teachers, they are our mentors, they are highly, they are supervising us. They are very senior doctors over there. I'm really grateful to elders. You are my ancestors of homeopathy, and I'm proud of you. You are doing a wonderful job. Really, I have no words to say. Your devotion, your sacrificing, and your for the system and for the promoting homeopathy and for the sake of the, you have, I can say for you, you are selfless people. Dr. Shaji Kudayat, really selfless. They are connecting me, and the different timing. I am really proud of this. At what time you are sleeping? You are doing a lot of efforts. This is a selfless people. If I have time, if I want to take the rubric over here, really, I can place here selfless is the main rubric of this, for the sake of humanity, not for the sake of earning. Because if you want to earn, you can do the some other business, but you are doing for the humanity. As a doctor, as a humanity, whatever the person is belong to, whatever the country, there is no religion, there is no restriction of the boundaries. We are working for the humanity. So all your people are created. This is a great job. This is a great, I think, there is no word for saying, because homeopathy is economical, homeopathic is a curative treatment and doing a lot of work. So if someone say homeopathic are businessmen, I don't say the businessmen. They are the selfless people. So I would like to be, Dr. Esmail said, sorry, he's driving a car. If some other one you want to say, please. Dr. Ismail said, please, sir, you're driving a car, I think. Dr. A.K. Gupta, please. Anyone other say your comments, please?
Shama has raised hand, something to say, Shama. Raised hand. If you want to say something, please say.
Okay. Sorry.
Shama has something to say. Raised hand, that's I'm asking. So you have Pakistan delegation has 4 more minutes remaining. If you have anything more to say, please convey to this forum so that we can communicate.
Dr. Khizri. Dr. Khizri, please come. Dr. Khizri. Are you listening?
I'm Dr. Ismail, sir. Hello.
Hello, Gigi. Yes, please. Hello, Doctor.
Assalamu alaikum.
Are you hearing me?
Walaikum salam. Ji, Dr. Khizri, please.
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of respected members. I am very glad that now we are part of homeopathic, and being a family, we treated and respected everyone. I'm Dr. Abdul Rasul Khizri from Lahore, Pakistan. Now I want to share a case with you. A patient came from many complaints, multiple complaints, and say to me, doctor, I share with the complete conversation in our national language. डॉक्टर मुझे काफी दिन से बुखार है और मैंने बहुत सारा ट्रीटमेंट लिया, तो ड्यूरिंग पूछा कि आपको ये बुखार कब से है, तो उसने बताया कि जी मेरी फैमिली में एक के बाद एक डेथ होती रही, 3 डेथ्स हुई। उसके बाद मेरा फीवर जो है वो बिल्कुल खत्म होने का नाम तक नहीं ले रहा। अब मैंने जब उसे देखा तो वो जब यूं ही मेरे पास बैठा पेशेंट चेयर के ऊपर, तो वो इधर उधर देख रहा था, उसने हर चीज को बार बार देखा। तो जैसे ही मैंने ये उसकी ऑब्जर्वेटरी रूब्रिक लगाई, लुकिंग डायरेक्शन इन ऑल, तो मेरे पास 4 मेडिसिन आ गई। उसके बाद फिर जब मैंने उसकी सेकंड रूब्रिक को सिलेक्ट किया, एलिमेंट फ्रॉम डेथ लव्ड वन, वन एंड अनदर, तो मेरे पास काली ब्रोम मेडिसिन आई 2 रूब्रिक्स के ऊपर ही। जैसे ही मैंने वो उसे काली ब्रोम अप्लाई किया, विद इन 3 मिनट्स उसका बुखार कम होना शुरू हो गया। आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स बुखार बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया। So that is the beauty of homeopathy, and I am thankful to Dr. Javed Akhtar, who teach us very well and make us like a pure and sensible homeopath. Thank you, Javed Akhtar, Dr. Sir Javed Akhtar Saab, and our other respected international mentors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Khidri. Thank you. I'm going to translate in English. Dr. Khidri has taken the case on the SOP's protocol of the MIND method. The patient visited to Dr. Khidri. What was the observation of the patient? He's seen the patient. He was looking all directions. One, he observed it here and there. He was watching it here there. One is the rubric is taken over there. Second rubric, he took the rubric is ailment for death after one another. For example, if the patient is saying to you, Doctor, I am suffering from this problem since 4 years. What happened in the life? If patient is telling that my father was died 4 years before, after the 6 months, my child is died, my brother is died after that. So though you can take the rubric here, the ailment from death from one after another. This is the rubric. So he uses the on the basis of triple P. Predominant, this is a predominant issues, and presently he is suffering. Persistent is there. So he took the rubric and observation is there. Here, one thing I'm going to mention here, the mindset of the patient, state of the mind. The state of mind when the patient visit to him, his direction, looking all and around. So he took the rubric. The patient is watching it here and there, and 2 or 3 rubrics is taken and is given the similar medicine. The patient, the resultant, you can see over the fever of the patient, whatever the suffering, the patient is result is the cure after the single or few doses of the patient. This is the main theme of this the presented case of the Mr. Khidri. Thank you, Khidri, how you are presented very beautiful case over here for the sake of promotion, for the sake of information, and you telling us about yourself. I'm really grateful to you, to all of you. You given me a chance to present myself and being a homeopathic doctor. First, I'm telling you that I am the homeopathic doctor. So being a Pakistani, being a homeopathic doctor, being a physician, being a promotion of the system. So I'm really grateful to all of you, especially Dr. Shaji, who give me opportunity, and all of you. I'm sorry I could not name it, especially the Dr. Ismail said, really giving the excellent comments, excellent provoking the system and admiring all these things. I'm thankful to our Dr. Zai, Dr. Tanzila, Dr. Khidri, Dr. Naveed, and all of you. Dr. Moli, your smile is, I'm watching your smile. Thank you, really, and wonderful. Dr. A.K. Gupta Sahab, really, I'm proud of being you. You are doing wonderful.